Balance. Ja, daai was mooi. Gaan nader, né? Fight die binnefight bietjie. Nader, laat sy jou nie kan skop. Fight. Jy moet slaan daar binne, jy moenie net staan nie.
Okay, alright. Wait.
Ja.
Yes, as long as it's so drop like it is now, not too hard. Remember, they can be quite hurt. And I don't mean you hurt your feelings, I mean it's very fine. I'm going to prepare om jou bene te kry, sê jy. Wait, it's hard, and it was low. That type of kick you need to.
Jy moet vinniger skop, sy vang elke keer jou been. Okay, jy moet bietjie punch, double leg. Shoot 'n bietjie. Shoot 'n bietjie man. Shoot 'n bietjie, jy moet oefen. Gaan onder haar arms in. Sy vang jou elke keer op daai loutjie. Very good. Very good.